Hi guys, I'm Megan Brightwood and welcome to my channel, or for anyone that is returning, welcome back. So this is a primarily knitting channel. I used to do a lot of beauty and fashion, and I hope to do a little bit more of that at some point, but we'll see how things go. I do also know that I have been neglecting this channel quite a bit, and I do have a knitting podcast that's going to be coming on Friday. It's not filmed, but I've said it now, so it will be here. Anyway, so today is going to be a KnitCrate unboxing, and for those of you that have been here for a while, you know that I love KnitCrate. I do have a 20% off coupon code. It is Pearls20, so I will leave that linked below if you are interested. And this particular box that I'm going to be unboxing for you today is the KnitCrate membership, but I did also want to let you know that there is a KnitCrate sock membership that they're doing now, and I would love to try it out. I didn't get that this month, but I'm looking at maybe trying to get it next month. We'll see how all of that works out, but as for right now, I really love the KnitCrate memberships. So yeah, before I get into what is in the actual box that I have just, you know, sitting here, I guess it's more of an envelope that I already opened. But yeah, before I get into what is in that, I did want to just take a moment to talk about what I am wearing. And this is the Bloom shawl by Chelsea Bercampus. It was the project from last month's KnitCrate, and I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this. It is a Stellina sock yarn. It is the Uru yarns, I think, sugared sock, and the lace on this is so pretty. So the colorway that I received is Pinky Winkle, so it's kind of this purpley pink with just flecks of this really kind of bright pink, and it's so sparkly. It's really pretty. If you want to see a better picture of this, definitely check out my Instagram. I'll leave that linked below and you can check it out. I have a picture of it on there. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into what is in this particular KnitCrate. So as usual, I'm going to try and find the envelope that tells me what the theme is. Ooh, this is pretty. So here is the card. The theme is Golden Hour, and it says, "The precious moments right before the sun sets, when it is low in the west, casts ochre tones across the world. This time is called the Golden Hour." So I think like Colorado, New Mexico, that kind of area, which is amazing because I am from Minnesota and we still have a good amount of snow. Like, it's plowed and everything, but some of the plowed areas are probably about 3 feet deep. So yeah, not a fan of that. Definitely feeling the spring, summer tones, I guess. So let's check out the yarn in here. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is Odine Wools by KnitCrate, and this is the colorway Prickly Pear. It's kind of an interesting color. It's got this dark green here, and then almost a, what is this called? Chartreuse? I don't even know. But it's kind of a lime green with some yellow in it. It's really kind of cool. I like it a lot. It's definitely not a color that I would gravitate towards, and this will probably end up being a gift. Cricket, shush. I'm sorry about my cat. He's always so loud. But yeah, this color does not really complement my skin tone very well. I do like to have these kinds of projects made up just for giving. I really like to give homemade gifts. So yeah, I'll probably make something up to give away. I do have several people that this will complement, so I'm looking forward to doing that. And let's see what patterns we have to work with, because they do have a knitting pattern and a crochet pattern in each KnitCrate membership box. So yeah, let's see. Let's start with this one. So this one is by Emily Johannes. I'm not really sure, but this is the Chloris shawl. And it's really cool. It's got a bunch of these. Oh, it must be a striped yarn. Oh, that's cool. So yeah, you can see this dark green here, and then it kind of lightens up to that kind of lime sort of green here. And then the crochet pattern is by Abby Swanson, and this is the Tempest Cowl, and I'm probably going to do this one. This is really cool. So this is what the Tempest Cowl looks like. Isn't that pretty? I love the edging on that. Both of these do have kind of that jagged edging, but I really like this one. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing this one, which really fits because in the recent knit crates that I've done crochet, knit, and this one was knit, so this one's crochet. I don't know why it's been working out that way, but yeah, it's been fun to have that crochet pattern because I have been kind of interested in building up my crochet repertoire, I guess. Anyway, I think that that's it for today. I had put Evelyn down for a nap and she has not fallen asleep yet. So I think I might be getting her down here and just kind of trying to calm her down a little bit more. And I don't know what's going on with Cricket. I think everyone is getting a little cabin fever. Everyone wants to get outside, including Cricket. And so it's just kind of been a crazy time here. Anyway, I hope you guys are having an amazing day and that your spring is a little bit better than what we've got going out here. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!